A collaboration from Europe and Colombia. You are not going to want to miss this opera this Saturday night. I'm going to throw it back to the station. Thank you for watching Arts Watch. I'm William Starrett, and have a good day, Colombia.
A 7-foot werewolf crept up. He said something cryptic about passing the cup. He then said forgiveness, remembrance, and a body broken up, and the blood had run all night. The werewolf of Ballantine is loose in the night, so run for your life.
Get your Skywatch weather forecast first tonight on Watch Fox News.